Hello everyone, and welcome to another video with Special Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at the 18th problem from the Special Maths Contest 2023 first round. Before we dive into this question, don't forget that the 2026 first round result has just been released. I would like to congratulate everyone who made it to the final round, and that's not the end of the journey. You have to work hard, and I wish you all the best in the second round. For those who didn't make it, don't feel down. Work hard, work harder, and come back again next year and show your skills. Okay, so let's go straight to the problem. It says, what is the perimeter of triangle BCE in the diagram below? So ABCD is cyclic. We're given the conditional ABCD is cyclic. So recall, we're looking for the perimeter of this triangle. In a way, this makes our job easier. And I'm going to show you a trick to solve this question quickly. So there are a lot of things you can explore from this setting. Like there are a lot of nice things you can explore, which I'm not going to do in this video. But this is a trick you can use to make this problem easy. Okay, so let's call this X and Y. So the first thing you want to know is that ABCD is cyclic. What do we know about cyclic quadrilaterals? So opposite angle is equals to, opposite angles are supplementary. So that means that the exterior angle is equals to the opposite internal angle or opposite interior angle. So this angle here, I call this theta, means this angle here is also going to be theta. If I call this alpha, means this angle here is also going to be alpha. Okay. So what does that give us? It gives us that triangle. So our triangle of concern, BCE, is similar to triangle. So let's call it in the corresponding vertices of similarity. Similar to triangle D, okay, A, E. Okay, so now we can, use a similarity here. So I have BC over DA equals to CE over AE equals to BE over DE. Okay. So BC we're given is 25. Okay. DA we're given is 52. Okay. CE we're given is Y. AE we're given, that should be, so 60 plus X. BE we're given is X, at least that's what we called it. Yeah. And then DE is going to be 39 plus Y. Okay. Now, how we form this equation is very crucial. Okay. So we take this first two and we take the first and the third. Okay. So if we take the first two, what do we have? We have 60. So cross multiply 60 times 25 plus 25X is equals to 52Y. Okay. So we can call this equation 1. We take the first and the third. What do we have? We have, so okay, I'm just going to do it in this order. So 52X, okay, is equal to 25Y plus 39 times 25. I'll take this. Yeah. Okay, so we call this the second equation. Okay, so that's enough space. Now we can subtract these two equations. Okay, so let's subtract these two equations. So we have 60 times 25. So 25 minus 52, that's going to be minus 27X. So 52 minus 25Y, that's going to be 27Y. And then it's just going to be minus 39 times 25. Okay. So now we can take the variables to one side and constants to one side. So we'll have 25 times 60 plus 39 times 25 plus 27X plus 27Y. Okay. scroll down a bit. So we can factor out 25. So we have 25. This is going into 60 plus 39, that is 99. And here we can factor out 27. So 27 into x plus y. Okay. So we have that x plus y is equals to 25 times 99 over 27. Okay, so this is equals to 25 times. So we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 9. So it becomes 25 times 11 divided by 3. Okay, so that's what x plus y is. So this is 275 over 3. Okay, so recall that we want to find the parameter of BCE. The parameter is just going to be 25 plus x plus y. But we know what x plus y is, so we just have to add 25 to this. So we have 25 plus 275 over 3, which is equals to 75 plus 275 all over 3, which is equals to 350 divided by 3. Okay, and this solves the question. Okay, so this question could have been made a lot harder if you did not observe what we are looking for, which is the parameter. So a more difficult approach would be to find x, the actual value of x first, and then the actual value of y. So, but we can bypass that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. So a challenge for the viewer is, okay, try and find the value of x and the value of y, and then add them together. Okay, so that'll be all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.